What's up guys, welcome back to English with Maunale. Today I'm here to talk about some collocations consisted of get. We have learned in our earlier video that to get has got a lot of meanings. It is not possible to talk about them. So today I'm here to talk about only some of them. Today I am here to talk about some collocations consisted of get, and collocation means to join a word with another word to make different meanings. See on the board, in every place I wrote down a word, common word get, but with the get sometimes I use adjective, sometimes I use adverb, sometimes I use noun. So when we use different parts of speech with the get, their meaning is getting changed. Their meanings are getting changed. It's called collocation. Okay, collocation. Collocation means to collocate a word with another word. Okay, to join a word to a word or with a word to make different meanings. Now get started. See the first one, get plus adjective. It means state or condition. See the example, get angry. Seeing your stupidity. Stupidity means foolishness. Okay, foolishness etc. Seeing your stupidity, I got angry with you. So don't get angry with me. I did not do anything or I did nothing. So get angry, get bored. After doing lot of homeworks, I got tired, I got bored. Okay. Then fat. You are getting fat day by day. So you should control yourself. You should follow the diet. You should follow diet and you should take some exercise. You are getting fatty day by day or getting fat day by day. That's why you should take some exercise. Next one, get hungry. Mom, I'm getting hungry. Do you have anything to give me? I'm getting hungry. Do you have anything to give me? Okay. Then get sick or get sick. Okay, get sick means to be sick, to be sick. When we get any kind of illness, okay, when we are sick, ill, that time we can use get sick. Get sick, get sick. Don't be under the rain, you could get sick. Don't be under the rain or don't be in the rain, you could get sick. Then get better or get worse. Our coronavirus condition, the condition of coronavirus pandemic is getting better, or the condition of coronavirus in Bangladesh is getting worse, or if you think it positively or if you think it positive, it should be the condition of coronavirus is getting better in Bangladesh. Okay, then get used to something. Get used to something. That means to be habituated in doing something. Okay. At first, when I entered this Queen's Center, I found it difficulties to teach the students. But later I got used to. I got used to teaching system. I got used to teaching system, or I got used to teaching our students. Next, get married, dressed, undressed. After get, if you use different types of adjective, their meaning can be changed. If you use different types of adverb after get, their meaning can be changed. So we are here to talk about some of them. So I wrote down an example: get married, get dressed, get undressed, get divorced, etc. Okay, after having a fight with her husband, she got divorced. She got divorced. Divorced. Next one, get to know. Get to know means to know something. Last day I got to know about an accident. It was horrible. I got to know an information. I got to know a piece of information that was horrible. Get to know means to know, to be informed, to be informed. Okay. Next one, get something. Here we can use for illness. Suppose get a cough, get a cold, get a fever. Okay, get a cold, fever. Don't have lot of ice cream. You could get a cold, or you could get a cough. Okay. Or if you are in the rain, you could get fever. You could get a fever. When we have got headache, okay, I am feeling so much headache. Really, you got headache? You could use aspirin. I am feeling so much headache. What I can do? Really, you are feeling headache? Okay, that means you got headache. You could use aspirin. You got a headache. That's why you can use aspirin to remove your pain. Then get somebody something. Did you get my space? Did you get her? Do you get me? That means, do you understand me? Do you understand my speech? Do you understand somebody's speech, or do you understand them? In this sense, we use get somebody something, meaning to understand. Okay. Next one, get on a bus or get on the bus. We use this type of expression for moving or traveling. When we travel by bus, when we travel by train, or when we use any type of vehicle to go somewhere or to move somewhere, that time we use this type of expression. See, for the bus we use on. For the bus, for the train, or for the other vehicle that could be electric or that could be operated by diesel. So that for those vehicles or for those traffic we use get on, but for the private car we shouldn't use get on, we should use get in. It is exceptional. Suppose get in the car, come on, get in the car. Okay, for the car you have to use get in, and you have to use article the. But for the other vehicle we can use get on. Okay, so get on a bus, get on the bus. Okay, I couldn't get any rickshaw, so suddenly I got on a bus named Anamika. Okay, last day I couldn't get any rickshaw, that's why suddenly I got a bus named Anamika. Okay, I get on the bus. Then get to bed means to go to bed. Okay, next one, get off. Get off means to get down from the vehicle we are in or we are on. So get off the train, get off the bus. Okay, get off. And already I have mentioned that SB means somebody and STH means something. You see, I wrote down short form, get used to something, STH means something. Okay, I wrote down short form, and somebody, SB means somebody. Okay, SB means somebody. Here I wrote down SB means somebody or STH means something. Don't get confused. If you get confused, try to watch my video from the first to last. Next one, get home. It is used, this get is used for arriving. Okay, last night I got home late. That means I arrived home late. So get home, see, get plus adverb plus preposition. When you use get plus adverb preposition, their meaning could be arriving, okay. See, after get we are using adverb home, get home. How do you get home, or how do you get to school? I take a rickshaw. Get to someone, something, same thing. Get to some, you have to include a place, or we have to include something. How do you get to the university? I take a bus to my university. Get something done, it is for causative, causative verb is a verb that doesn't do anything itself, but that makes others to do something. So it's called causative verb, okay. Suppose the baby is having milk, or the mom is feeding the baby, different thing. Baby can have something by itself, or mom can help him or help her to have something. So when we causative verb actually to make somebody something, do something, okay. So get something done. I got my hair cut. That means I got a barber. Or somebody to cut my hair. That means I got my hair cut. See, after get, when you use something, that time we have to use V3 form. Okay. I got a lot of dishes cleaned. Nowadays, due to coronavirus pandemic, we do not get anyone cleaned. Sorry, my mistake. Okay, skip this one. Nowadays, we do not get anything cleaned our dishes. Nowadays, we don't get anything cleaned our dishes. See, get something done. Then get somebody something to do something, or get somebody something doing something. Both has got same meaning, you see. Both on are the same. So get somebody something to do something, that means it is the same. I got a barber to cut my hair, or I got a barber cutting my hair. See, both are correct. Next one, get doing something. Get doing something means to start to do something. No need to be late, or no need to delay. You could start doing something now. So get going. We are getting late. Okay. So get doing something, we have to use get, then any gerund form or ing form, then our object. Okay. So get going. Okay. Get doing our homework. Get cleaning our floor, etc. Okay, now before finishing my lecture, I would like to repeat it. I already mentioned SB means somebody and ST is something. I use them in short form. It is my personal technique, but don't use it in your writing. Okay. Now, see the first one. When you use get, then adjective, it indicates any kind of situation, state or condition. Get bored, get tired, get angry, get fat, get sick, get weak, okay, get thin, etc. That shows us any kind of change, state or condition. Then get to know means actually to be informed or to know something. Okay, I got to know about it later. It was so horrible. Okay, I got to know. Then get something, it is about illness. When you get sick, when you get a fever, when you get a cold, that time we can use get plus something. Suppose get a cough, get a cold, get a fever, etc. For understanding, when we mean to understand, that time also we can use get. Do you get my speech? Do you get me? So see, get somebody or something, that means to understand. Then get on a bus or get on the bus. For the bus, for the train, for other vehicle, exceptional, except the car or car, we use get on. Suppose get on the bus, get on the train, or get on the plane. Okay, but for the private car, we have to use get in the car. Get in the car. Get to bed. Get to bed means go to bed. Okay, and get off means to get down from the vehicle. We are in or we are on. Okay, then get adverb preposition. So get home. They indicate the meaning of arrive. They mean to arrive. Okay, so get home means how get home. How do you get home? That means how do you arrive home? I take a rickshaw to my home. Get to somewhere something. How do you get to university? Okay, how do you get to university? Get something done. Get somebody something to do something. Get somebody something doing something. They are actually causative verb. Okay, it is causative verb. Causative verb means that verb doesn't do itself, but that make others to do something. That make others do something. Get something done. See, when you use after get any kind of non-living thing, we can use V3 form, past participle form. I got my hair cut. I got my floor cleaned. I got the dishes cleaned. I got the fan repaired. Okay, so after something we have to use V3 form. But if we use somebody or something, we can use another form, infinitive form. We can use to, we can use do. Okay, any kind of verb here. To do means here any kind of verb you can use. Suppose I got somebody to fix my fan. I got somebody to fix my fan, or I got a mechanic to fix my fan. Or you can use this one. I got someone fixing my fan. I got someone fixing my fan, or I got a mechanic fixing my fan. Okay, so next one, get doing something means to start to do something now without having late or without getting late. Okay, we should not delay anymore. Get going, we are getting late. I got talking to her. I got talking to her after getting introduced. After getting introduced, I got talking to her. Okay, so guys, it is the all for the time being today. If you have got any type of questions related to this video, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try my best to reply to it as soon as possible. Remember, guys, if I make any type of mistakes, please let me know. I will try my best to correct myself at once. Okay guys, see you later in my next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.